Hey, bud, what you doing? Huh? What you doing, boy? What you doing, boy? You a good doggy. You're soaking wet, buddy. You are so...
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a brand new day here in beautiful Tennessee. We're here again with this beautiful Firecracker Red 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. And in the last video, we did put on the awesome, sick, sweet Rock Creek wheels. Those things are beautiful with the big mud tires from Leo Line Sport. So this thing is just getting ready. There's a couple of things that we still need to do. First thing we're gonna do today, back here on the back of this bumper, we got that LED right there. So we actually got a pair of them. Gonna wire them into the backup light. So we put the Jeep in reverse, this sucker just light up. That way if somebody pulls up behind you, it's red light, you just ease it in reverse and they're like, oh my God. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna jump on that first thing. We're gonna get that done. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get this beautiful Jeep outside. We're gonna get it all shined up. Just get it perfectly clean all over, and then start the paint correction process so we can get the ceramic coat put on it from Avalon King to Army Shield 9. So that's what we're gonna do. First thing we're gonna do, get the lights fixed, then we're gonna wash it. So let's get it going. What is going on? It's another new day. And today, we're back here. Yesterday, you saw we cleaned this sucker up. We got it all shined up. We got the backup lights wired up. So today we're gonna do a little paint correction, just a little bit. And I do have the ultimate polish. Got the old high speed out. So we're gonna get started. We're just gonna get it polished up, a little bit of paint correction. If we see something, we're gonna basically, we just want it shined up. We want the paint pores free before we get out to ceramic coat. So let's go ahead and hop to it today.
All right, guys, so we just got the ultimate polish put on this Jeep and it's shining. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna take the 91% isopropyl alcohol, we're gonna spray it down, get all the blemishes off of it, get it ready for the Avalon King Ultimate Nano Ceramic Coating.
Alrighty, man, this Jeep is looking beautiful. It's looking magnificent with this Avalon King ceramic coating, Armor Shield 9. We put it all over this thing. We let it dry. We wiped it off. Just like the instructions said, it's gonna give this Jeep protection for 2 years, for 2 whole years. So we won't have to wax it. We don't have to shine it. We just gotta keep it shiny like it is. And it's absolutely beautiful. It's the most magnificent Jeep that you could ask for, in my opinion. It is beautiful. So we just, you know, we wish we could take it outside and show you in the sunlight, but it's raining like crazy. Cats and dogs are falling down today, but it really is beautiful. It is beautiful. We're gonna get it out here in the sun. We're gonna get it out here at night. So expect a video coming that's gonna have this thing all shined up in its beauty, in the sun, and out at night with all the light bars on. It's gonna be magnificent. So if you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. Please leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.